All right, hey everyone. Today is a very beautiful day. The sun is hitting my face, her shoulder. But today we are not going to a beach to view the sunset because every time we go to a beach, it's cloudy. We don't see the sunset.
And it is cloudy, but yeah, it is sunny too, cloudy too. But it's like 80% it's cloudy, so it's not recommended to go now.
So we are not going to a beach, but instead where we are going?
It's a surprise, I won't tell you.
The title is so. Instead of going to a beach, where are we going?
To Ikea!
There you go. So we don't have to buy anything over there. It's just like a little tour. We'll go,
Yeah.
we'll see, we'll check out the place how it is. Oh yes, we are going to the Burlington Ikea because that's the only one which is like a retail outlet. The one which is in, I think, in Kitchener or Waterloo or in this area is just like a pickup
Design
point.
studio, yeah. It's the design
Yes.
studio.
And you can pick up online orders from there.
Exactly,
So
yeah.
don't go to any random Ikea. Look for the ones which are retail outlet and then go over there. We'll go
What if-
to the waterfront.
Yeah. What?
What's up, Abuba? Enjoy the ride. Ikea, Ikea. Self-checkout and bag, I'll shave it, sad life. Okay, ready. इसमें 4 बस तो nice. बीजू फ्राइड अनियंस करना मीडियम फ्राइड अनियंस hot dogs pure veg everything and fried onions.
It's a great place.
Nope. Alright. How was I? Tiring. How was IKEA?
Was amazing.
First time experience in IKEA.
Yeah, it was good.
I've heard people say that they get lost in IKEA. I can see why. I was lost for a while. It just goes round and round and round. Now also the burger.
Yeah.
The hot dog.
The food.
First time having hot dog. Well,
A
technically
veggie hot dog.
it's more like vada pav, but hot dog. Okay, $1 for each hot dog. We got 2 hot dogs, $2.50.
Yeah.
My maths is not bad. It's just taxes. So, Burlington downtown, huh? It's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
This thing is a circle with lights. Obvious. But we also went to Value Village. Oh no, well, what's the fuck?
Village Square.
Village Square. Beautiful
Of
location.
Burlington,
Dinner, dine-ins, restaurant, everything. We tried to take some pictures. Didn't work. The phone's not that great. But anyways, once we are done over here, we'll sit around for some time. Then we'll head to the pier. Pier has a big light up stand thingy. That's gonna look beautiful. That guy over there, he's enjoying. I don't think he's enjoying. That guy over there is playing guitar.